Family reunion time is very important. If we want to make these times more enjoyable, every housewife should know how to choose a dish that is appropriate and right for our family members, is easy to cook, and can also be enjoyed by each family. Hello everyone, meet me, Chef Sarporn. Today, I must show you the menu in front of you. I guarantee that you will find it delicious. So, if you want to know what the menu is today, let's go and see how it is cooked. Now, I start our bamboo shoot slice. Today, I cook bamboo shoots. You cook bamboo shoots with chicken, and we add a little more fish sauce to make our sauce. How to cook bamboo shoots. How you like bamboo shoots. This is how I like my bamboo shoots when I cook. And we take it to cook with chicken. See, it is delicious. My valued audience, now we start cooking bamboo shoots. Let us sew a little. We boil bamboo shoots, we sew, and then we start cooking again. My valued audience, now I start to boil bamboo shoots a little. For bamboo shoots, we boil. You put a lot of water because we leave bamboo shoots to sew. When bamboo shoot sews, it can shed enough water. Take the time we cook bamboo shoots by sewing. My valued audience came to make mixed ingredients to stain fish. Today, I stain fish with mixed ingredients to bring it fried with our soup. Now we come to mix mixed ingredients a little to smear mixed fish. I have lemongrass, galangal, and kaffir lime leaves. So now, I put mixed ingredients to hit a message, but I have not added finger root. So, I added garlic and we put it together and waited for us to hit. My brother, I added another chili and a little bit to taste. Our fish is delicious. You now see that my mixed ingredients before garlic and finger root stir well, and add mixed ingredients to spice our fish into and serve. And add flour, salt, MSG, and sugar. Slightly sweet in the fish meat after we put it together and stir to fit. My valued audience. Now we come to cut our fish, and for fish mixed ingredients like this, if you want to use fish like pangasius. The same goes for kremfi, striped catfish, spot pangasius, and Pangasius conchophytus, snail-eating catfish. We cut it small, but not too hard. When cut too thin, it may crack when fried. So, my valued audience put it on the spot. Now, I start to get dirty with mixed ingredients. The mixed ingredients that we hit and put in, stir in this mixed fish ingredient. I smeared the fish and mixed the ingredients well. So, I left it for about half an hour or 20 minutes. Then I fried it to taste a little. Then, I started to make the sauce. Before our sauce, let me roast the chili and our garlic a little first. We roasted it a little, then brought our sauce. It was delicious. Then, there was garlic and chili. Put a little more chili, the spicier, the more delicious. I started playing. Well, we put the pan on a little hot for the chili and garlic. We just roasted it. So now, I leave it and let us cook our prahok to make prahok sauce. I use raw prahok like this. Our meat prahok is made with a delicious sauce. Many of our prahok brothers are so firm that we put the roasted chili with the garlic we put in, and we cook it together. You can also hit it. But I cook like that. It's easy because we chew prahok. Now, with mixed ingredients to make more sauce. Now, we start mixed ingredients. I added a little bit of MSG. I have not added salt to my soup. I added it with palm sugar and lime juice. I added lemon juice. I added some lemon juice, and I did not add salt to this sauce because I used prahok. Now, I have added hot water. I have started to add some cilantro and digestion. Some people call it long digestion. Cilantro is easily understood and quickly, people. This dish is likely the most special because of the sauce itself. If you do not have the sauce, this dish is not very tasty. So, I left this sauce first and I will continue to fry the fish. Now, we begin frying the mixed fish with the ingredients. Add oil to the pot and start frying the fish. Our bamboo is almost ready, and a little later, we will proceed to cook it. I put the fried fish into a little bamboo shoot we sew. Then, I started to add mixed ingredients to my bamboo shoot chicken. I have never used lemongrass or orange peel, people, because I do not like that smell. I only use it. I stole a small piece of soup, and I used hibiscus. Then, we put our chicken in. Now, I start adding mixed ingredients. I add soup powder, a little salt, MSG, and fish sauce. I use a little sugar palm. For this kind of dish, we use sugar palm, which has a delicious taste. Gradually good and boiled, my valued audience. My fish is cooked and dried well. The color is clean, and the smell is delicious again, almost eaten. You are boiled little by little. Our soup is starting to almost boil. We are frying fish and now turn to look at my soup once again. Our soup is very good. You cook and boil bamboo shoots. Chicken is the chef's favorite. I like to eat it with Prahock sauce. It is delicious, my brother. Taste a little. The taste is also enough. So, I added a little more cilantro or digestion leaves and spring onion to this soup. I use cilantro or digestion and spring onion. Prepare and cook. And now I'm starting to eat. And I'm delicious. How do you understand when you watch my video? If you like my way of eating, you can try cooking with your family. Thank you, everyone. Don't forget to like, comment, share my video.